Hey there! Just wanted you to be aware of some options that we have for electronic communication with our parents to help you be in touch with how your student is doing academically and learning at our middle school. So the first thing that you would do is go to our school district webpage, and then you would click on Family Access, and then you would go to Family Access Login. Your login is the first 5 letters of your last name and the first 3 of your first, followed by 3 zeros, and then you would enter your password. If for some reason you don't know your login or password, you can certainly click here and it will be sent directly to the email that we have on file for you. So then you sign in, and this is the window that you will see. This is the home button on the menu on the side, and this is what we call Message Center, and this all teachers post information to make sure for 2 reasons. One, for students who are absent, it's a really great way because students have access. It's called student access, and they log in the same way that parents do with their own username and password, as well as teachers have access to see where the students are at. And for you as a parent, it's a great way to start conversation at home because you can see clearly that in ELA they started this reading called Call Me Maria. So as a parent, I could say, hey, so tell me about this reading that you're doing. Or I can see that they did a woolly bear lab in science, so I could ask specifically about that. So this is our message center. Every teacher is expected to post here their daily assignments and or their weekly, depending on how they want to do that. The next feature is calendar, and this is just kind of summary of what's been going on in school so that you can see it in a look, and you can also see that there's no school here or when the term starts. So just another feature for you. Piece parents really generally like is the gradebook. One of the important pieces is to make sure that you click on the student in particular that you want to see, because as a parent you have access to all of your students. And this shows you where they're at in their learning at the time. There's multiple display options you can do. You can have the assignments shown, which makes it you can see, brings up the assignments, or you can click off that if you just want a summary of where they're at. You can view all terms, you can view only the current terms, so there's lots of options for you to click on as far as that goes. And again, the idea is that you're engaged so that you know what your student is, where they're performing and learning. Other features, we have attendance here, student general information, food service, their schedule, test scores over time, and that's the standardized test scores. Sky Alert information can be updated from here, health info. So just want you to know that you have an opportunity and a way to be connected with how it's going with your child's learning at OMS.